Having your dryer vent clean. When your dryer vent leads to the roof. When your dryer vent leads from your laundry room up to the roof, it is very important to make sure that the right company is being hired to complete your service. First, you want to make sure that the technician goes up to the roof for the cleaning. If the technician does not go up to the roof for the cleaning, they cannot properly clean and inspect the roof cap for any leaks, damages, or screens left on by the builders. Consequently, if the roof cap is not properly cleaned and inspected, it can build up with lint, creating a major restriction point. This will cause the dryer to stop drying and can become a major fire hazard. If the technician cleans the vent from the inside only, the equipment can go up into the roof cap, causing major damage to the damper, putting you at risk for clogs, backdrafts, and even leaks into your home. Having your dryer vent cleaned from the roof will assure you that the technician has properly cleaned and inspected the roof cap and full length of the vent. The technician will also be able to check the airflow, making sure that the service has been completed successfully. Contact us now.